VAIBHAV and I am a part of LEXIS and Company as a legal intern. Today I am going to talk about a recent case law of Supreme Court which relates to sedition law and media. The name of the case study is TN5 and ANB News versus State of Andhra Pradesh, in which the Supreme Court broadly stated that sedition law needs to be interpreted especially for. Hello everyone, my name is VAIBHAV and I am a part of LEXIS and Company as a legal intern. Today I am going to talk about a recent case law of Supreme Court which relates to sedition law and media. The name of the case study is TN5 and ANB News versus State of Andhra Pradesh, in which the Supreme Court broadly stated that sedition law needs to be interpreted especially for media law. In this case, Supreme Court said that Section 124A of Indian Penal Code 1860, which criminalized sedition, would require detailed interpretation with respect to its application to media and freedom of press. Let's check the fact of the case first. Fact of the case is that the petition has been filed by the said petition filed by the news channel challenging the FIR, which the news channel claimed was the result of telecasting a number of alleged offences made by Raju, a member of parliament from ruling party of Andhra Pradesh, and the ABN news channel being targeted by state government, and its broadcasting was stopped at the ruling party, forcing it to approach the Honorable TD set, and despite the order, the access to the petitioner channel is limited in Andhra Pradesh. The Andhra Pradesh police has registered a FIR against the ABN News and TB5 for sedition and other charges after it aired offending speeches made by YSR Congress lawmaker Kanumudi Raghu Ramakrishna Raju. This case has been headed by the three-judge bench, which include the Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, Justice L. Nageshwar Rao, Justice S. Ravindra Bhatt. In this case, Supreme Court protected two Andhra Pradesh news channel TB5 and ABN News from coercive action in relation to first information report, that is FIR, registered against them by the Andhra Pradesh police. While giving orders, Justice D.Y. Chandrachud said that the ambit and parameter of provision of Section 124A, 153A and 505 of Indian Penal Code 1860 would require interpretation, particularly in context of the right of electronic and print media to communicate news, information, and the rights. Justice Chandrachud also included, if a TV channel says something, it cannot be called a sedition. In addition of that, Justice Chandrachud has also remarked that whether a sedition case has been initiated against a news channel which showed a dead body being dropped into a river from a bridge in UP. In this, we have seen Justice Chandrachud stated that the sedition law has to be interpreted with its application toward the media law. So basically, what is sedition? Now I am going to tell you about what is sedition. Sedition is a provision given under Section 124A of the Indian Penal Code 1860. In layman term, sedition can be said as like it is a conduct or speech inciting people to rebel against the authority of a state. Sedition, as per section 124A of the Indian Penal Code, whoever by words, either spoken or written, or by sign or by visible representation, brings hatred or excite disaffection towards the government established by law in India shall be punishable with an imprisonment for life, or shall be punished for imprisonment up to 3 years. So we can say what is sedition. Sedition can be in a popular narrative can be taken as a Deshdrohi or anti-national, or as against Rajdroh, or anti-government act. So whether the media has power to say something against the government or not, it's up to, this has been the media and sedition law is contemporary, a counterpart of each other. Article 19 gives a freedom of speech to media, as well as the in general. Article 19 provides a freedom of speech, and sedition law puts a restriction over that. We can say that one has freedom to speak, but what is considered to be a desh drohi thing or anti-national thing or act, what is considered to be a reasonable act or something. In this case, AB5, TB5 and ABN News versus State of Andhra Pradesh, just whether the thing considered as a deshdroh or anti-national act, whether or not whether criticizing a government is considered to be a sedition or not. There is a thin line between criticizing the government, making a false propaganda against the government, and trying to destabilize the government. Destabilize a democratically elected government certainly falls under the purview of sedition law. Thank you.